Alright you guys, I am back with another video. This video is for Dollar General, the 5 off of 25 for this Saturday, January the 21st. This deal right here is not a big haul. However, it's some good items in this haul if you're in need of laundry items, lotion, and razors. If you follow along with my deal, make sure you download all the digital coupons. Get your total to $25. Make sure you also clip that 5 off of 25. Enter your number at the register and watch your total drop. If you follow along with my deals, the first item you're going to want to pick up is one Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, 118 ounces for $10, and there is a $3 off coupon. The next two items you want to pick up is two Nivea body lotions. They're $5.25 a piece, so that would be two for $10.50, and there's a $3 off coupon. And last, you want to pick up one Bic Soleil 3-count razor for $5.50 with a $3 off coupon. Remember, the goal is to get your total to $25, at least $25. As you see, we went over. We got it to $26. Then you're going to come over here and subtract the $9 in coupons, which is going to bring you down to $17. And then remember, once you clip that 5 off of 25 coupon, that's going to come off as well. That is going to bring your total down to $12 out of pocket plus tax. That's $12 out of pocket plus tax for all of these hygiene and a household item. I hope you guys get out to Dollar General this weekend to get you guys some good deals. Have a good one.